This is number 2 on the 2018 final exam practice. We're transforming this graph here. So let's look at what our basic square root graph looks like and go from there. So here's a x and y axis, and then our graph is a square root, so it would be the square root of x would be something like that right there. If you want some exact points, there will be a point at 0, 0, one at 1, 1, and another one at 4, 2, because the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so this is telling us that we're going to move this graph up 3. This part's a little tricky because the negative inside indicates that we're going to have a reflection across the y-axis instead of the x-axis. So this is our y-axis reflection. And of course you'll notice that I factored that negative out, which makes this a plus, which means that this thing is going to move to the left. Or you could think of it as a move to the right, but then it reflects over the y-axis and moves over to the left anyway. So our resulting answer will be left 1, up 3, and then I didn't give myself enough space, but reflected over that direction. Now, if we need some exact points, there's not been any stretching happening here. This point right here that was at 0, 0 is now going to be at negative 1, 3. And the point that was at 1, 1 is now going to be at negative 2, 4. And then the point at 4, 2 is going to be over here at negative 5, 5, I think. So there's 3 points on the graph for where that original parent or toolkit function has moved.